TL Short Story, Episode 2, entitled, Saw You at the Convenience Store. I was silently calling your name. Exactly 7:32 p.m. End of class. I was heading home, but for some reason, my feet took me to a convenience store. I pushed the door open, and there you were, laughing with your friends, your voice echoing in the store. I didn't want to make it obvious, so I pretended like I didn't see you. I kept my head down, shy as ever, walking past you like I didn't care when, inside, I was hoping for even the slightest attention from you. I sneaked a glance at you. Your angelic face was even more captivating up close. Your thick eyebrows, your sparkling eyes, and that smile, it made everything around me blur. Even the way you held the item you were about to buy made you look so perfect. I stood in the line at the counter, pretending to look out the window, waiting for my turn. But I couldn't stop sneaking looks at you. Then out of nowhere, our eyes met. I quickly looked away, feeling my heart race. I pretended like it was nothing, but I couldn't shake the feeling of that moment. Finally, I paid for my stuff and stepped outside, still replaying the brief eye contact. But then, as I was about to leave, I heard it my name. Hi, you called out my name. I froze. My heart is skipping a beat. I turned around, my heart pounding. There you were sitting in your motor, looking effortlessly cool. You were leaning back, one hand resting on the handlebars, the other giving me a small wave. You smiled, the same smile I had been admiring all this time. You weren't rushing. You weren't trying to impress anyone. You were just there, waiting for me to notice you. I didn't know what to do. Should I walk towards you? Should I say something? Or should I just stand here, frozen in the moment, pretending like I wasn't the one you just called out to? But it didn't matter. You already noticed me, and in that split second, everything else just didn't seem important anymore.